RTX 5060 Ti CyberPowerPC Gamer Master review. Real 1440p results that shocked me. Picture this. You finally sit down after a long day, fire up your favorite game, and within 10 minutes, you're yelling at stuttering frames and muddy textures again. You've been stuck in this loop for months, maybe years, watching everyone else flex 144 Hz smoothness while you're still fighting 2018 hardware. Ever felt that quiet rage? Drop your most frustrating game in the comments. I read every single one. That constant lag, the random crashes mid-raid, the way ray tracing just laughs at your graphics card. It sits in your chest like a low-grade fever. You want the visuals, the speed, the bragging rights, but the thought of researching parts and building feels chaotic and exhausting. The good news? There's a calmer, dead simple way to get everything you actually want without the nightmare. Then I unboxed the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master with the Ryzen 7 8700F and RTX 5060 Ti. What makes it different is brutally simple. Newest silicon, perfectly balanced, assembled and tested by people who actually game. 8 Gen 4 cores that crush multitasking and streaming. RTX 5060 Ti with proper DLSS 4 and frame generation that turns playable into buttery. 16 gigabytes of fast DDR5, a 1 terabyte Gen 4 solid-state drive that loads maps before you finish your energy drink, clean cable management, solid cooling, and customizable RGB that actually looks good. Last week, a buddy was 10 minutes from rage-quitting a boss fight, switched to the Gamer Master mid-session, turned on Ultra with ray tracing, and deleted the boss in one attempt. The relief on his face said everything.
Here's how it actually feels in real life. You instantly get back hours you used to waste tweaking settings, which means deeper focus, which means higher ranks and cleaner clips, which means you finally start winning the way you always knew you could. Hardware experts call it one of the best balanced pre-builts on the market right now. Influencers who usually only run custom rigs are keeping these on their desks. Benchmarks show 100+ frames per second in the toughest AAA titles at 1440p Ultra, and everyday gamers message me saying it's the first PC that never let them down. Yes, 1 terabyte fills up fast, and 16 gigabytes is perfect for now, but 32 is easy to add later. Both are 5-minute upgrades, not excuses. Thousands of gamers can't stop talking about this rig for a reason. What game are you launching first if this lands on your desk?
You're one click away from never settling for good enough again. Join the creators, streamers, and ranked grinders already dominating with the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master. More organized desk, calmer nights, sharper focus, way faster load times, and visuals that actually make you say, wow, out loud. Link in the description and pinned comment. Go grab yours and thank me when you're running 1440p Ultra without a single compromise.